How to stop hair from freezing after a shower? Let's find natural solutions. Post-shower hair freeze is a common and a frustrating problem for many busy ladies. It can turn your good hair day into a bad one in minutes. When hair absorbs excess moisture during a shower, it can swell and lose its softness, leading to frizz once it dries. This can happen to any type of hair, but there are some factors that can trigger this problem. So today, let's understand what you can do at your home to fix this problem. So let's start. Frizz generally occurs when the hair's outer cuticle layer is rough or raised. This can happen by various factors: harsh shampoos, overwashing, vigorous towel drying, and brushing wet hair. Second common factor is humidity. When air is humid, it contains high amount of moisture, which is quickly absorbed by hair, causing it to swell and lose its shape. Another reason is hair porosity. High porosity hair has open cuticles, allowing moisture to enter and leave quickly, leading to frizziness. That's why if you have done so much of chemical treatments, hair freezing is more common. Hair's natural texture also affects the propensity of frizz. Curly and burnt hair types are generally more prone to frizz due to its structure. Sometimes straight hair also affects this problem if it is damaged or has high porosity. Another common reason for frizzy hair is the quality of the water that we use for your shower. Normally, tap water contains so much of chemicals, chlorines, heavy metals, and so much of contaminants that can strip your natural oils from your hair. As a solution, many people use filtered shower heads, which soften the water and helps to prevent many other hair issues as well. I have seen many ladies spending their time and money buying expensive products to manage this frizzy hair. Today, you try this home remedy and you get the benefit of it. It's very cost effective and we use only natural ingredients. So let's start our home remedy. First, you take a fresh cup of coconut milk. Then we put 3 to 4 hibiscus flowers. Today, I couldn't find fresh flowers, so I'm using 5 to 6 dry hibiscus flowers. Then I leave the mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, I add some 10 ml of apple cider vinegar. Then I blend this mixture for about 5 to 6 minutes. Keep it in a glass container and leave it for 3 to 4 hours. After 3 to 4 hours, you can see clear 2 different separated layers. Gently separate the top layer into a glass container. Then add 5 to 6 drops of rosemary essential oil. You can keep this hair cream for about 2 to 3 weeks within a refrigerator. Apply this hair cream 2 to 3 times per week. Leave it for 20 minutes and wash off with a mild shampoo. My dear ladies, this natural cream will help to organize your cuticles and will increase the natural oil secretion on your scalp, preserving your natural texture of your hair. My dear ladies, prepare this hair mask and apply on your head and get the benefit of it. I think this video was helpful for you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell down below so you will not miss any of my newest videos. Thank you for watching.